Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how to change Instagram chat color back to default. If you found yourself with a different color theme and want to go back to the standard one, stay tuned. Open Instagram and access Messages. Select the conversation with the non-default color theme. Tap on the person's name at the top of the conversation. Look for Theme option and tap on it. Scroll down to the Colors section and under Colors locate Default option. Select Default to change the color theme back to the standard one. Go back to the conversation and you'll notice that the background color, theme and overall appearance have returned to the default color settings. And there you have it guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.